You can see over here we got our floor patched. Got a little low spot there we patched up. Welcome back everyone, and the day has finally come that we're finally going to be getting some flooring, and we've got our floor. You can see over here we got our floor patched. Got a little low spot there we patched up. We've got our room cleaned up. This is the flooring here. See if you can see it here. It's a vinyl plank. We'll be installing that in the living area, the dining room. It's going to go all over in the dining room, kitchen area, all over in the living room, all the way down through in the hallway, and that's where it's going to be going. So we're going to get started on that probably in the next few minutes, and hopefully it won't take long. Yes, but that's the way it goes. We'll, probably take 3 days. Who knows? But you'll get to see the process, and stay tuned and see what happens. Well, another day has come and gone, and we were successful with getting the floor in. The vinyl plank is all in. We've still got to do some transitions, but it's time to go get a shower and go to bed. I'm not sure if you can see this. The lighting is just horrible in here. Well, this camera doesn't do really well in the light. I can probably switch it around. Let me see if I can get a little bit better picture. All right, and there you have it. The flooring is all installed. We had a few spots that was not quite level, so we had to put some leveling compound in and wait for it to set. Then this particular brand of vinyl plank, I don't know if there was a defect in the run, but we found that the ends of some of the vinyl plank was not cut square, so we ended up having to cut a bunch of pieces off, but we were able to use most of it. Overall, I think it turned out pretty well. And I'm getting ready to call it a night. But as you can see, we ran it all the way down through the living room and in through the hallway. And getting it cut in around these doors to make it look right was a bear. But anything worth doing is worth doing right. I like to do it right as opposed to just putting it together, so hopefully it will last a long time. Anyway, it's in, and so we can move on to our baseboards. And hopefully within a few more weeks we'll be able to show this for rent. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, pop them down below. I will answer whatever I can, and if I don't know the answer, I'll just make something up. Not really, well, maybe really. Isn't that what we do on the internet? We just make stuff up, right? But anyway, if you have any questions, put them below. I'll try to answer anything that you've got, any questions. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I think that's where they're at. And hit the notification bell to be notified when new content is uploaded. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.